Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Shut power at the breaker now, then remove the old thermostat. You don't want live voltage while wiring. Label every wire using the stickers from the Nest kit so you know which terminal is which. If you lack a common wire, prepare the Nest power connector or a compatible adapter, because Nest needs a steady 24V reference to charge. Once done, attach the Nest baseplate to the wall, thread wires through, and hand-tighten terminal screws so connections stay secure as you proceed. With power still off, insert each labeled wire into the corresponding Nest terminal: R for power, W for heat, Y for cool, G for fan, O/B for heat pump, and C if available. This ensures correct control signals. Push wires in until they click and tighten screws to prevent intermittent contact, then gently tuck excess wire into the wall so the baseplate sits flat. Make sure the baseplate is level. Use anchors for drywall so the thermostat won't loosen. After mounting, snap the display on and restore power. Open the Nest app and follow prompts to connect the thermostat to your Wi-Fi, select your HVAC type, and run the equipment test so the system cycles through heat and cool. This verifies wiring and function. Calibrate the temperature offset if readings differ, then program your schedules for efficiency. If the system doesn't run, immediately turn power off and recheck the R and C connections. Use a multimeter to confirm 24 volts between R and C. If voltage is missing, consider a common wire solution or contact an HVAC technician.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.